Where's Genevieve? Look, Geno. Oh, so cute. Is that cute, babe?
Is it supposed to be there?
I don't know.
That's mama bird there. Where's it at?
Look there.
See, I can't cut grass now. Can I put them up in that tree
Yeah.
over there?
Can you pick it
Wait,
up?
can I?
Here, no, let's scare them.
Look.
Come on. Go, this way. Get on my foot.
Now let him go to the bushes so that when you cut grass,
Go.
he's safe.
Oh, I think I can pick
Don't,
him up.
if you pick
No,
up
no.
a bird, they'll be abandoned.
Yeah.
There.
La 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 la. La, ang
go.
mama og ang kwan og kwan. Sige ki. Akaw na sa imong parents oh.
I just want them over there or in that bush.
Yeah. Go over
Here,
there.
hang on.
Go over there in the bush so that you will be safe. Be safe ka. Para safe ka. Para safe. Hala.
Yeah, come on, go that way.
Let's bring him in the bushes kay mag-cut og grass
Get on there.
para dili siya maigo. Pero hindi ka matamaan.
Come on. I don't want to touch them. Because mama might not want to touch them then. Get on the stick.
Oh, there you go.
Hang on, I'll get them.
Okay.
Ah!
Napad na siya. Akaw pa ba? Ato na siya dito. Oh.
Where's he gonna go?
Bring.
I want him over here. Get on there.
Good job, babe. Akaw dito sa cedars. Pato na to siya sa cedars. Dito, cedars. Okay. Okay, para safe. Okay, you're safe now there. Pwede ka maigo sa mag-cut o grass itam. Okay. There you go.
There's mama. I
Look
think
at
your nest is
you.
in there anyway.
Look at you. Safe na siya diya, guys. Kasi nag-cut kasi ng grass
Don't
itam.
fly out here.
Yeah. Stay
Get
here.
in there for another day.
Stay there. Look, ang mama ug ang papa galupad-lupad. Safe na ka diha. Safe na siya. Oh. Safe na siya diha. Safe na ka.